A very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the clearance angle of negative geometry tool insert.
So in this drawing we can see negative as well as positive tool insert. So first we will talk about the negative tool insert. So here we can see that the negative tool insert has an angle of 90 degree. Here this is the flank face. Here this is the flank face, and we can see that it is a 90 degree angle. It has a 90 degree angle. So consequently there is zero clearance angle. Whereas in case of positive tool insert, we can see that the tool insert has an angle less than 90 degree. So here we can see that the flank face is inclined, and here in our case the positive tool insert has a clearance angle of 7 degree. Now we can see the 3D image of negative tool insert. Here we can see that the flank face is completely flat and it has an angle of 90 degree. So that is why there is no clearance, and clearance is 0 degree. Whereas in the case of positive tool insert, we can see that the flank face is inclined and it has a clearance angle of 7 degree. Now here we can see the 3D image of the tool insert after installing on the tool holder. Also we are able to see the 2D drawing of the negative tool insert after installing on the tool holder. So here we can see that after installing the negative tool insert on the tool holder, a -6 degree of rake angle is been creating. So consequently a clearance is being produced between the tool insert and the workpiece. So basically rake angle is the angle between the cutting edge relative to the machined surface. Therefore a clearance is produced between the tool and workpiece, which prevents the direct rubbing of the tool and workpiece and hence produces the desired surface roughness.
So after installing this tool insert on the tool holder, it gets a clearance angle. So accordingly only this portion of the cutting edge comes in the contact with the workpiece, and this entire flank portion is not in contact with the workpiece during the machining. Only this portion comes in contact, and the wear occurs only at this cutting edge. So this is how the tool insert is fitted on the tool holder, and we can see that this portion of the tool holder is inclined, which gives the clearance to the tool insert. So from this angle we can see that this portion is inclined, which gives the clearance to the tool insert. So after installing the tool insert and tool holder on the tool post, you can see that the tool insert gets some inclination over here. It is not completely flat. Here we can see this is the tool, negative tool insert, and you can see that it is inclined. So that's why it gets the clearance angle. This is how we can see. Now we will see the actual machining by using the negative insert cutting tool.
Start.
So in this way we tried to explain the clearance angle of negative geometry tool insert. Thanks for watching this video.